Hey, I'm Scott, and my teammates are Vaughn and Austin. Our group implemented a Connect 4 game in C++. Here's a link to our GitHub, where people can download and run our code.
Our program starts with our main menu, where the user can play against another player, a computer, or watch two computers play. The user can input custom names and pieces to be used in the game, where you just input which column you'd like to drop your piece in. The program can detect valid inputs, the next available cell, and the winner or a tie. A couple examples of object-oriented programming principles that we've demonstrated include having private or protected variables that are abstracted away from the rest of the program, each class being encapsulated where player operations are within the player class and so on. Inheritance is demonstrated by the computer class, which is a player object, or the Connect4 board class, which is a game board object. Polymorphism is demonstrated by our operation overloading, such as the assignment operator where the equal operator has been overloaded, or by passing variables by different names into functions.
Alongside the assignment operator, memory is allocated when the game board is created. So by the rule of three, we needed to implement the destructor and copy constructor.
Our game utilizes the C++ standard library queue data structure in an interesting way. A global queue of characters called move history is used to track moves input by the player when playing against the computer. Every other game, the computer will switch between two play styles. In the first game, the computer will play randomly while collecting the moves of the player in the queue. In this next game, the computer will copy all the moves played by the player in the game before by popping them from the queue every turn. This sequence will repeat every 2 games. And while this method doesn't make the computer much smarter, it does help prevent the player from winning every game by playing in the same column 4 times in a row.